Hey guys, what's going on? This is Santos with Drive Forward, and today in my video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a watch that I picked up, and I want to show you guys what you guys can get in an affordable price. This watch I got for $50, so we're going to get into the unboxing, and I'm going to just rip it open right now, guys, and I'm going to show you what we have in the box. So bear with me here, guys. This thing is really wrapped. And I don't have a knife or anything, so I'm going to get right to it here. And this bubble wrap is pretty strong here. So. Alright guys, so we're in on the next packaging. So a package inside of a package. At least this one I don't have to tear. Here we go. And so we got it. So this is what we have right now. It's a Steeldive. Let's see which Steeldive it is. And like I said, I'll get into the pricing in a little bit. I'm going to show you the watch first, and maybe compare it to some of the other watches that I have in my collection. Like some of these on the table. And guys, this is not my complete collection. I've showed you guys other watches I have, but these are some of the ones, some of my favorites in my collection. And you guys can check those out there. Okay, so I'm going to open up the box here. Pretty standard box for the Steeldive, and this is what we have. Has the adjustment tool to take pins out of the bracelet if you need, and warranty cards and instruction manual. Shouldn't need that. Most of these watches are self-explanatory. The box will set off to the side, and let's get to the watch, which is the real showstopper here, guys. It's a nice watch. I'm going to show you right now. And this, guys, is the Steeldive 1953. And just unboxed completely. As you can see, it still has the plastic still on it, and the sticker. Still has the plastic on the back casing. This is a wonderful watch. I want to take the plastic off because I want to see if it has a milled clasp or not, because I thought this is the one that comes without the milled clasp. Okay, we'll see that now. There we go. So we should be able to get that for you. Oh yeah, it does. See the milled clasp. And this thing, guys, this thing's on AliExpress right now for $50. So you could pick this up for $50, and I'm telling you right now, it's great quality. I want to check can't say it's great quality just yet. It feels, what I can say, it feels heavy, feels good. I want to check the bezel, see how the bezel rotates and stuff, see if there's any wobble to it. I want you guys to see this with me. So let's go ahead and wow, that is surprisingly good. Let's go around. Yeah, the bezel is nice and tight. No playback, as you can see. It's right on. Came off a little bit. Yeah, there's absolutely no playback in. Yeah, this sounds really good. And like I said, for $50, automatic watch. See if we get it moving there. As you can see, automatic. And want to take the plastic off and look at this thing. And the closest I can compare, at $50, one of the watches that I have, and I'm sorry I didn't put it in the collection so I can compare it more to, would have been my Casio Duro, which was $50 itself. And I love the Casio Duro. It's a little bit bigger as far as the case size, but this watch, like with the sapphire crystal, that's one plus that it has on the Casio Duro. It also has the milled clasp, and the Duro comes on a regular rubber strap, a rubber belt, and the rotating of the bezel is nicer than the Casio Duro. Even though I like the one in the Casio Duro also, don't get me wrong, I love the Duro, but for this price point, this thing is a must buy at $50, guys. Look at the watch. and they have them on AliExpress in many colors. They have a turquoise dial, they have a green Starbucks looking one. Like I'm psyched with the watch. And when I do after I do this video, I am gonna set it to my wrist. So on my next video, I will show a wrist roll of the watch and all that, and I'll get more in depth about it. My only if you guys have watched my videos before, my only complaint is I do not like the Cyclops eyes. As you can see, my collection here, if I show you, I really have no watches with Cyclops eyes with the magnification. Yeah, I think this is literally my only watch that has a Cyclops eye on it. And it's kind of crazy, but yeah, I tend not to buy watches that have the magnifier on there. But really not a downgrade at all. I think it's awesome in the sapphire crystal. Really beautiful look to it. And we all know what this watch is homaging. I'm not gonna get into naming what the homage is and stuff like that, but if you know about watches, you know what this watch is homaging. And I think it's a really cool take on that watch. We'll say that. I'm not gonna say a copy, because it's not. If it was a real copy, it would have their logo. This has its own logo. So this is their take on it. And has quite a few pins here where you can line up the watch to get a perfect fit. I think that's awesome. So really cool watch. But all right, like I said, we'll get back to this watch on my next video once I size it and everything. But we're gonna talk about a giveaway that I'm doing. And I'm doing this giveaway for our subscribers, because like I said, I appreciate each and every one of you guys that tune in for my videos. So if you're a public subscriber on my channel and you live in the United States, get into the comment section and just message me saying drive forward. Just drive forward. And if you want to add something in the comment after that, you can. Hey, say hello, anything. But drive forward, and I will be giving away this SME watch to one of my subscribers. And we also have a very similar one, the Panda. And as you can see, the Panda still has the tag on it. This SME, I did open it up, but I did not wear it. And proof that I didn't wear it is, look how big this band is. It hasn't been adjusted or anything, so I couldn't have worn it. I did put it over my wrist just to do a video not too long ago, but I never wore it out or anything, because this is not my wrist size. But yep, I will be giving this away to a couple good subscribers on this channel. And this is me and the Sanda, and they're both similar watches, just different brands. And we're gonna, just to show our appreciation to people that tune into my channel and comment and like my videos. And like I said, so we will probably do this drawing next Saturday or next Sunday, whenever we do a video a week. So next week, when on my next video, if you guys get in the comment section for this video, we will do the drawing on our next video, and we'll let you know who won, and then we can get your information, and we'll send a watch out to 2 people. So it'll be 2 winners. It won't just be one for the SME, one for the Sanda. And yeah, that's that. And if you guys are interested in knowing what I have on my wrist, I have my JBW Heist, another really cool watch, quartz movement. Really nice watch. I love this watch. Yeah, I know it's not the biggest name brand, but I have history with this watch, so it's grown on me, so it stayed part of my collection. So yeah, guys, that's going to be this video today. I'm going to go a little short. I'll give you one last look at all my watches in this haul right here, in partial of my collection here, and one last shot of the watches that are going on for the giveaway. All right, guys, so like I said, get in the comment section, write drive forward, and this is Santos with drive forward, and we'll catch you on the next video.